Good people, all this Christmas time, consider well and bear in mind what our good God for us has done and sent.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I just wanted to share this small haul I got from Big Lots with you. So Big Lots does have several good items that are at good prices. And they're at prices that kind of beat the Dollar Tree. So I wanted to share this haul with you. So come with me. Let's go. Let's share. Okay, so I have some Barbie concepts that I'm going to be doing. And I found this. This is a Barbie pink cocoa mix and Barbie keychain, which is included. All right, and it's in this little box here. All right, and these were $5.99. All right, and this is a good buy here. I like this. Very unique, very cute to go in the Barbie box and the Barbie basket that I'll be making. Okay, so we picked that up. All right, and then I found the Disney Princess Bubble Bath. Okay, and it was $1.49. And then they also had it in Spider-Man. So I picked that up too. So we got the Spider-Man and the Princess Bubble Bath. And I got several of these, but I'm only putting one on the table here. We also have the Barbie necklace sets. All right. These were $1.99. You get the bracelet and the necklace. I thought those were cute too for the Barbie. Now they had the LOL Squad Goals pocket tissue, and they only had LOL. All right, and they were 69 cents. All right. All right, and you get 3 in a pack, so that is cheaper than the dollar store. These are very cute. All right, they also had the Barbie nail kits. All right, and these were $2.99. So I picked those up as well. All right, and then they had these Mermaid Goals coconut lime bath bombs. All right, and these bath bombs have a prize inside. All right, and they were 48 cents. All right, and you can see in my hand they're a pretty good size, about almost baseball size. All right, but all of them have a prize inside, so I picked up several of those to go in several of my baskets. They also had Soothing Bath Crumbles. All right, and this is Unicorn Among Horses. All right, and this is Unicorn Dreams with Moroccan oil for relaxation and hydrating. Onyx Bath House is the maker of these. They're called Bath Crumbles, and they are 48 cents. They're in a nice package, nice iridescent package. Picked up several of those. All right, and then they have these cute little gourmet spice blend in wooden spoons. And the spoon says Stirring Up Joy. And I thought that these are $3.99. I thought they would make very nice soup concepts with all these soup cups I have. So I picked up some of these. They have that one that says Stirring Up Joy, and it is chili onion flavor spice mix. And then they also have this one with the house. And this one is the Italian herb. And I thought these were very cute. Make very nice concepts with those. All right, and then they have the funnel cake mix. Makes up to 24 funnel cakes. Comes with the funnel and 2 packs of the mix. All right, this is a very good size item. All right, and it will definitely make good concepts for the holidays, because y'all know funnel cake is yum yum. It's a good thing. These were $7.49. And that's what it looks like, the whole thing. All right, so very good size, very good price for this set. If you have other pictures, you can actually break that set up if you want to. Now, this was actually 90% off, and it says, "This is our happy place." All right, and regular price was $11.99. I paid $1.19 for it. And I think this is really cute. Go in a nice housewarming basket. They had bubble wands. All right, the bubble wands come 6 in a pack, y'all. All right, they were $5.99. All right, that's less than the Dollar Tree. All right, Dollar Tree, you get one for $1.25. 4 of them would be $5. 6 of them would be $6.25. All right, these were on sale for $3.97. All right, so 6 of them for $3.97 on sale. All right, and then they had the troll coloring books, and I am doing some troll concepts, so I did pick up the troll coloring books. They were $1 each. And I've got plenty of crowns, y'all. All right, and then the find of the day is the Beverly Hills Polo Club colognes for men. All right, it's a 4-piece set, and it is regular price $19.99. All right, I picked up these 4 pieces for $7.99. All right, so that makes them about $2 each. And of course, you can break the set up. All right, and you're not going to find this at the dollar store. So, all right, so I can't even do a price comparison there. But $7.99 for these 4 pieces, 4-piece set is a good buy. Like I said, that's $2 each. All right, and you can break them up and do some very, very nice men's concepts with these, with the Polo colognes. All right, and they had a lot of other colognes there too, but I didn't think that the price was worth it, because they were way higher than this. Some of them were, as a matter of fact, they have this exact same set. They had one row that was $7.99 and another row that was $9.99. I couldn't figure out what the difference was. They were both 4-piece sets, the same colors, everything. But this is a good buy. So $2 for each cologne. That's great. So I did pick these up as well. All right, so I think that these were great finds at Big Lots. You know, so make sure you get to your Big Lots, especially if you have one closing. You may be able to find these same deals a lot cheaper. They had a lot of toys, but none of the toys that I saw or that I was interested in were on sale. And some of the toys they had that I've already gotten were cheaper at Dollar General. So I picked them up from Dollar General. Those bubble wands, great deal. $3 for those. And I think that the Barbie items will be great in a basket. And this box is kind of heavy, so let's see what's in it. So it includes the mini marshmallows, color changing pink cocoa mix, Barbie keychain. And I want to open it. Alright, so this is cute and will look really good in those Christmas basket concepts. And I'm just picking this stuff up because I don't want it to sit down here when it can sit up here. Alright, so that's all I picked up at Bargain Hunt, but they have a lot more. And if your budget's a little bit bigger, then you know I definitely would take advantage of some of the items they have. This is $5.99, and it may be a little pricey for some of us. But I only picked up 2 of these, so because I have 2 big Barbie baskets that I'm doing, and I'll make this back, so I'm not worried about that. I think that these nail kits are just precious. All right, so, and these were $2.99. You know, so if you can, get to your Big Lots and do a walkthrough and see what's on sale and what you can pick up there. Like I said, those Polo colognes are fantastic. And will make great men concepts. Polo is a household name. You all know a lot of men love Polo. So if you can get there, get to Big Lots and make sure you get your sale items so that you can enhance your baskets. $1.49 for bubble bath. Great deal. Now I know they have some of the bubble bath too at Dollar Tree. You know, but you just have to look around and see, because not all, I've never seen them at my Dollar Trees. I don't know if they just run out or they in the back somewhere in a box. I don't know. But you know, you can also always go to Big Lots and look there if your Big Lots is not closing. I talked to the manager at mine today, and my Big Lots is not closing, but several are. And the ones that they're closing in an attempt to save the rest of them because they had to file bankruptcy. Chapter 11 is what she told me, which I had read that somewhere. But anyway, that is my haul from Big Lots, y'all. So thank you for entertaining this old bird and tuning in. I hope that you all have had an amazing Monday, and I hope that your Tuesday is even more amazing. Make sure you tune in to the Crafty Corner every Wednesday and every Friday night at 7 p.m. sharp. All right, we will be on here pouring out some blessings, making some concepts, and possibly doing some giveaways. We will be doing a birthday club giveaway this Friday. All right, Wednesday night. Tune in. And then if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And we will be getting to that 1K giveaway soon. We are at about 62 short of doing that 1K giveaway, y'all. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Good night, everybody.
Good people all this Christmas time.